Disclaimer.
You are seriously wasting this golden opportunity if you're not making money in this bullish market. Wake up.
Hello, my beginner friends. Everyone is earning money in this bullish market. Don't you want to make money also? Are you ready to ride this bullish wave? Let's dive into how beginners like you can start profiting smartly in a rising market. A bullish market simply means prices are rising, investor confidence is high, and opportunities are everywhere. But without the right strategy, even a bull market can leave you behind. So, how can you, a beginner, profit smartly? Here are your best options. 1. Invest in index funds ETFs, low-risk way to ride the market wave. Check out my recent video on top 5 ETF of 2025. 2. Swing trading. Buy strong stocks and sell after a few days or weeks at a profit. 3. AI stock screening tools. Use tools like TradingView, Screener.in to find trending stocks. 4. Start SIP in mutual funds. Start investing small amounts regularly and let compounding work for you. Video coming soon. 5. Call option buying carefully. Buy call options when you see strong breakout confirmation. Learn from my option trading videos. Links of my tools, which I use, are in the description. Check it out and get exciting sign-up bonus. Let's do a quick example. Suppose Reliance stock is trending upward with EMA crossover. Here's what I'll do. Check. Super trend green. EMA 20 crosses above EMA 50. Entry. After a breakout with small stop loss. Exit. On target hit or trailing stop loss. Before you jump in, remember these golden rules. 1. Don't chase hype. Trade setups, not emotions. 2. Use proper stop loss on every trade. 3. Don't invest your emergency money. 4. Stay updated with financial news. 5. Learn, practice, then go big. Bull market is a once-in-a-few-years opportunity. Start smart, start small, grow big, like and subscribe for more. This is just the beginning of your profitable journey. Want daily tips, live market insights, and beginner-friendly strategies? Then don't just watch, be a part of our growing community. Follow us on Instagram for quick updates. Join our Facebook page, AI Trading Revelation, for in-depth guides, reels, and daily market secrets. Because the market waits for no one, but knowledge gives you the edge. Links in the description. Join now and take your trading game to the next level.